A tree he is, with branches spread, that you can hold on, hang on, and climb upon, and touch all the heights, see far across. You aren't going to fall, he'll ensure, because his roots go deep and he stands strong. All the truths they seep and preach no wrong. His nonchalance a facade, he cares like no one else does, giving all he can, fruits or seeds, that feeds or give birth to more such beings. Indeed, he is a tree. Thank you so much, sir.
C. Raja Mohan gives his thought as Raj Mandala, but there should be Rahul Mandala as well, because the kind of insights that Rahul Puri sir has provided.
कि राजनीति के ऑक्सफोर्ड तुम आई और ध्वजवाहक हो, तुम सहज सरल एकाग्रचित्त, तुम शांत सौम्य सम्माहक हो। और आज क्लास की फेयरवेल में ईश्वर से यह मांगू बस, आज क्लास की फेयरवेल में ईश्वर से यह मांगू बस, काल पृष्ठ का अक्षर अक्षर, काल पृष्ठ का अक्षर अक्षर, राहुल यश का गायक हो, राहुल यश का गायक। थैंक यू।
मजा आया सर की क्लास लेके मजा आया, और मेरे बस में हो तो मैं हिंदुस्तान के हर व्यक्ति को ये मजा दूं।
I like to answer this question with this quote that success has many fathers and failure is always often. Myself, I realized this when my UPSC journey was ended. I still remember once the result of my last attempt was out and I was not able to make into the final list, I was totally shattered. And I think every aspirant who invests this much of time and energy will go through the same emotions. And suddenly you are totally confused. What's next? This becomes the biggest question in front of you, that what you will do next, which will keep you motivated. So I was also thinking with a lot of options, and there was a time when I was thinking to go back to US and work in corporate. This is really true that one of my friend who is now an IAS, he said that the kind of energy, the kind of hard work you have done in your optional and in your mains, if you will not teach optional PSIR, you will do injustice with the next generation. So now in this subject of PSIR, justice is one of the important concepts, and there is a debate going on since the time of Plato that what is justice, and it is very subjective and it is very difficult to come up with the objective idea of justice. I have built my own understanding of justice, that justice is to give your best to the society in whichever manner you can. So this was the time when I finally realized that I should help the coming aspirants, and the mistakes I did during my preparation, the challenges which I faced during my preparation, I'll try that those who will come to me, I'll help them in the best possible way. And that's how I started teaching PSIR Optional.
मजा आया सर की क्लास लेके मजा आया। You have been the father figure in the house.
I have seen students who are coming from PSIR background. They do not have a clear understanding of these even simpler terms like philosophy, ideology, and theory. So whenever I start teaching philosophers, I first emphasize who is a philosopher, how you will differentiate a philosopher from an ideologue, what is the difference between a theory and an ideology. So I have seen students are not aware of these even basic terms even after completion of their post-graduation.
I always wanted to take PSIR since I already had political science honors, but the kind of conceptual clarity that I got here with sir was much more in depth than what I studied in college itself.
Hello everyone, since I am only an optional student here, political science college में भी पढ़ा है पर बिल्कुल समझ नहीं आया इस लेवल की कॉन्सेप्ट क्लैरिटी से तो बिल्कुल नहीं आया था। बस जब सर ने कॉन्सेप्ट्स पढ़ाए तब बहुत ज्यादा क्लैरिटी मिली, अंडरस्टैंडिंग बिल्ड हुई।
I have seen asking this question again and again to most of the UPSC aspirants. Even I have seen this. Even I have asked this question to many aspirants who are going for the interview. That what do you think is the biggest threat for India? Most of the students end up saying it is terrorism, it is Pakistan, it is China. But if you see the reports of the Ministry of Home Affairs, the biggest threat for India is left-wing extremism, that is Naxalism. Now, Naxalism is not a problem. Naxalism is an outcome of the problem. The problem is corruption. So what is the biggest threat? It is corruption. So now students understand the biggest threat is corruption. and Prime Minister is in his speeches again and again saying it is corruption. And now if you see, if we have to connect to have a proper, to give a clear understanding to a student, Plato has said this way back, that what led to the biggest, what was the biggest reason for the defeat of Athens? Why a small state like Sparta able to defeat Athens? The root cause was the corruption in the ruling class. You will able to establish the linkages. You will able to understand why we are studying philosophers and what is the present relevance of philosophers. I try to simplify things, and I try to connect these dots, and I try to link the learnings of these philosophers which they said way back in the history with the present. So on this aspect I emphasize a lot.
But then I attended his IR classes, and that was it. Like, I knew ki this person is going to actually deliver something. So I straight away took admission. 1 month had already passed.
सर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू सो मच एंड देन आई जस्ट वांट टू से दैट संविधान के अर्थ से लेकर पुरुषार्थ तक, कौटिल्य से लेकर मैकियावेली तक, रशिया यूक्रेन के युद्ध से लेकर पीस लाइस इन द फुटहिल्स ऑफ हिमालयाज तक, डिफरेंट मॉडल्स ऑफ सेक्युलरिज्म से लेकर सनातन धर्म तक, और लोकतंत्र के सही मतलब से लेकर अखंड भारत तक. सर 150 क्लासेस में बहुत कुछ सिखा दिया आपने.
But many times I feel that I have seen that students feel that they know, but they do not have a proper understanding. So classroom coaching help you to connect the dots. So they build better connections. They can learn from our mistakes and our experiences. They will get a good group to study. They will able to maintain consistency, and they will get a constant guidance and mentorship.
Hello everyone. I just want to share a line which has been ringing to me since I seek personal mentorship of Rahul sir. I was asking him, sir, what if I set a goal for myself, if like in 2 weeks I'll complete my economy, and what if I'm not able to do that? And sir was saying, don't be too hard on yourself. And I think that's really important, because this journey is like, it gets really hard on your mental health, and I think we should take a moment to balance our physical health, our mental health, and our spiritual health as well, because this is such a long journey and it takes such a toll on us. And by saying such a simple line, sir has told me, to come back to reality, to take care of my health, and I'm thankful for that, simple line. Thank you, sir.
आई थिंक इस बैच में मैंने दोस्त सर लोगों के रूप में एक मेंटर तो लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए गेन करा ही है, बट आई वुड ऑल्सो लाइक टू थैंक यू पीपल. बहुत मेरे लिए ये पूरी यूपीएससी की जर्नी में पहला बैच था जहाँ मैंने क्लासेज अटेंड करना शुरू करा. अदरवाइज मैंने जीएस खुद से ही प्रिपरेशन करी है, और यहाँ के अलग अलग टाइप के लोगों से मिलने को मिला. एंड सेकेंड थिंग कि आप खुद से प्रेप करते हो तो बहुत सारे एंगल मिस करते हो. देन यहाँ क्लासेस में आते हो तो बहुत सारी वैल्यूज आपको दिखती हैं. यहाँ जैसे मेजॉरिटी लोगों के नाम मुझे पता है, और उसमें आपको कंसिस्टेंसी दिखती है. बहुत सारे लोग काफ़ी कंसिस्टेंट है लगातार, जैसे पीयूष हार्डवर्किंग है, जुस्सा है, देन कंसिस्टेंट रेगुलर आते हैं. पीछे अभिमन्यु बैठा है जिसको क्लासेस के शुरू से लेके लगातार मैं देख रहा हूँ. तो आप अलग अलग लोगों से मिलते हो तो अलग अलग चीज़ें आपको सीखने को मिलती हैं. और क्लास का मेन सिर्फ कंटेंट तो है ही सर जो प्रोवाइड कर देता है. चांसेस है कि 80-90% चीज़ें हमें मार्केट में भी मिल जाती हैं, हर जगह मिल जाती हैं, बट जो क्लास का असल निचोड़ निकल के आता है, ये यू गाइज मेक इट वर्थ. सो आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक ऑल ऑफ यू. ओके, एंड सर तो मेंटर के रूप में मिले.
Every aspirant has to face the anxiety and the stress which is a part of this preparation, because in future the nature of the job is like this. If you cannot handle the stress of the preparation, how you will going to handle the stress which is associated with the job? So this is why the preparation is so gruesome, that they are preparing you for the job which you have to do in future. So first thing is to make students, this is the thing you need to convey to the students. See, you are aspiring for something where you have to handle a district, or you have to take the decisions which will have impacts on so many people. So you have to be prepared for that. So once the subject is done, Students need consistent mentorship, they need handholding, and they need constant motivation that they are on the right track. They need, as they are far from their families, so they look for constant mentorship. So from my experience, as I have been through all this process, I understand the stress, the problems which students are going to face in this preparation. I try to help from my experience, and I try to assure students that you need to focus on I try to convey this thing that you need to focus on the process rather than thinking too much about the result, because there are so many variables which are beyond your control. So I try to help the students to keep their focus on the preparation rather than getting deviated. I think expectations of my students and still the pain of not qualifying UPSC.